Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Ambra Pickle or Ambra Achaar. So let's get started. To make your Ambra Pickle, you will need 12 ambras. I've already peeled some of my ambras and cut them into thin slices. 5 tablespoons of oil. You can use mustard oil or any oil of your choice. 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida Or Hing. 5 tablespoons of ready pickle mix. This is what it looks like. You can get it from any Indian shop. 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. To prepare the ambra, take one ambra at a time, cut the ends off and peel the skin using a sharp knife or a potato peeler. Slice all the flesh off and cut them into thick or thin pieces and put them in the dish. You can also use the seed in the pickle as well, or you can throw it away if you don't like the seed. Repeat this until you have finished peeling and slicing up all the ambra. I have finished slicing up all my ambra. Now add salt and turmeric and mix it well. Cover it using a lid or a plastic wrap and let it rest overnight. In the morning, you will see liquid sitting in the bottom. You need to drain this liquid. The best way to do it is to use a perforated spoon to scoop the ambra pieces. Let the excess liquid drip off and place them on a tray or a large plate. Spread them evenly and dry them in the sun for 3 hours, giving it a mix every now and then. After 3 hours, bring the ambra pieces inside and it's time to get the pickle ready. Take your pickle mix, add it to the ambra pieces, mix it well to combine and put it aside while you get the tempering ready. Take a small fry pan, put it on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add mustard seeds, give it a mix and let it sizzle. Add 1/4 teaspoon of Asafoetida Or Hing, give it a mix, turn the heat off and add it to the ambra pickle and mix it well. My ambra pickle is ready and you can serve it with your favorite curries. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.